Okay, so I went to Party City today and I got a few things for this makeup look, including this. I saw this and I was like, it's either this or like the cat ears, and I was like, this looks perfect because it has a little skull in it for Halloween, and then it just looks good for fall. So hi, my name's Kathy. If you don't know me, well, now you do. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup look inspired by Makeup by Nico. I found him on Instagram and I have been through literally every single one of his photos. The makeup he does is just gorgeous. I really wanted to do a makeup look using the face paint that I got, so I thought this look was perfect. So, I mean, just to get started. This morning I put on the Murad Invisiblur. It has SPF 30. I did it because I was going outside. It's like still on my skin. I put it on a couple hours ago. So to start, I'm gonna do my foundation first, just on that one corner of the eye. I'm using the China Doll foundation by Napoleon. This was the first foundation I ever got from my mother, and I've only used it a couple times. Not even a couple times, like once, because it was so expensive. And I just want to see now what it looks like. So I'm just gonna take my finger and dab it in. I'm going over a little bit from where I want to draw the line, so that when I draw the line after, I can just wipe off the excess and just do that. So before I set it, I'm gonna go in with Anastasia Dip Brow. Eyebrows all finished. I set my face, or half my face already. I'm gonna just quickly go in with some highlighter. Ooh, that's black. I'm gonna be using this blue purple one right here. Okay, so the picture that Nico has, he used a brown and then a purple. I don't want to do that, so I'm going to use a red and a yellow. For the reds, I'm going to use the 35MO palette by Morphe. I'm going in with this. I'm probably gonna switch between this red color and this red color, and then I'll cut the crease and then put the yellow on and then do the wing liner. He smudged out the wing liner, so, or maybe he didn't, but it looks like he did, so I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna start with this color.
Gotta change my answering machine now that I'm alone, 'cause right now it says that we can't come to the phone.
So I am kind of just done with the cut crease. It's not perfect, but I can fix it later near the end. Right now I'm going in with the Makeup Forever. I'm going in with this yellow color. I don't know what it's called because it's kind of stuck to this thing. And I kind of just don't really want to try to take it out because I don't even know how to take it out. So yeah, I'm going in with this color. I'm gonna smudge it up, but I'm not gonna go all the way up. And then after this, I'm gonna do eyeliner and smudge it out as well. For eyeliner, I have the Stila Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in black.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many. She can swim far away from the wreck. I want to see you smile, no that means I'll have to see.
I'm going to outline where I want to keep, you know, whatever, outline this, and then, yeah.
Living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong. One shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control, but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more, and I've been in the moment, I've been in the...
I'm taking a makeup wipe and I'm gonna go around the border of this, kind of just clearing it up. I'm going to put this on a clean surface. And man, I don't know what the, ooh, it's slimy. It's like melted marshmallows. Oh, jeez. This smells like peroxide. I don't know how I feel about this. And I can't use a beauty blender.